Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best retractable awnings. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Vevor Retractable Awning. Vevor is a brand that most and professionals alike would be familiar with, given its dedication to consistently manufacturing top-grade tools and equipment for more than a decade now. Whether you want privacy or need to enhance the visual appeal of the outdoor living space, this large, sun-proof retractable awning can help you get the desired results. For us, the main highlight of this retractable awning is its multifunctionality. You can use it indoors as a cube wall or outdoors like a sidewall to enjoy the summer months in your garden or backyard. Apart from that, the awning is made of top-quality materials like its aluminum frame or polyester fabric, which makes the product durable and adds to its visual appeal. As far as installation is concerned, we are happy to inform you that it comes with all the essential mounting accessories for a hassle-free installation. It is also worth noting that the polyester fabric is flame-resistant, sun-proof, waterproof, and breathable to offer much-needed protection outdoors. Moving on, the awning is available in 3 colors and across 4 different sizes, allowing you to choose the size and color that works best for you. It is one of the best retractable awnings currently available. Number 7 in my list is Best Choice Retractable Awning. A light but strong powder-coated aluminum frame resists breakdown, while the UV and water-resistant polyester features a PU coating for added longevity. An ideal space to enjoy the weather, rain, or shine, this canopy is up to the task to provide UV and water-resistant coverage. Freely and smoothly open and close the canopy with the easy-to-access, retractable 60-inch hand crank. The large canopy covers up to 54 square feet and is unimpeded by support structures, ideal for entertaining guests. Use the included mounting hardware to set up this canopy in stucco, vinyl, or wood, and on any balcony, patio, or window. Open dimensions: 80 watt and 6.5 height. Number 6 in my list is Tang Pergola Retractable Awning. If you are looking for a slightly unconventional retracting awning, then this patio awning from Tang could be your best bet. We call it unconventional because it sports a different design, unlike most retractable awnings. Obviously, there's much more to it, so let's dig deeper. We were quite impressed with all the features this awning brings to the table. For starters, the retractable canopy can be pulled back easily during extreme weather or when shade is not required, which is truly exceptional. We also like the fabric as it protects you against 90% of the damaging UV rays. Not to mention, the awning is breathable and allows rain and breeze to pass through, so no more worrying about rain gathering on the fabric and damaging it. The rods feature a new design with hangers and pre-drilled holes, making the installation process more convenient. Speaking of which, it comes complete with all the important installation hardware such as wire clips, turnbuckle, control tape, and wire cable. This means you don't have to make a quick trip to your local hardware store and spend a hefty amount making additional purchases. And finally, it sports an incredibly affordable price tag, ensuring it delivers excellent value for money. Number 5 in my list is Aecojoy Retractable Awning. High-quality fabric made of 280-gram polyester fabric, which is anti-UV, 50 UV plus solar protection, windproof, RAN protection, and fade-resistant. Stable material made with aluminum alloy and steel frame makes it more stable and better in strength. Adjustable crank with 59 long crank, easily retractable to meet your sun or shade need. Multiple purpose, ideal for shading above windows or doors, indoor or outside. Buy with confidence. Let us know if you have any questions about assembly or product quality. It comes with all of the hardware you'll need to install it, and it can be installed in wood, brick, and concrete. With the 10-foot by 8-foot size, it provides the perfect amount of on-demand shade for patios, decks, balconies, and more. The crank system is easy to operate too, and the neutral beige color will tie into any outdoor space. Plus, it's also very economically priced. Number 4 in my list is Advaning Retractable Awning. Luxury Series features a white frame, fabric color, built with an industry-surpassing 40mm powder coat steel frame torsion bar and 70mm diameter aluminum roller tube for a strong and safe structure. All stainless steel hardware with excellent corrosion resistance, longevity, and strength. Garden green with sand bead stripes, size 10 wide x8 projection full extension. Advaning awnings are 100% fully pre-assembled and ready for installation. Advaning's product selection features top-tier design, functionality, and complete hardware kit. Our retractable awnings are shipped fully assembled and ready for installation. Luxury Series collection features a 100% solution-dyed European fabric with UV 80+ sun protection, construction-grade hardware, and top-tier components. Advaning retractable awnings are the perfect choice for your outdoor spaces and business. The two-loop system includes 2 easy pitch tilt loops. Using the 2 easy pitch loops, the awning's pitch and tilt angle can be adjusted to block the sun at different times of the day for a fully customizable shade experience. Electrical and manual awnings will also include a 3rd loop to crank the awning open or close if desired, or in case of a power outage. Number 3 in my list is Diensweek Assembled Manual Retractable Awning. High winds and bad weather can quickly damage even your nicest patio furniture, which is why it's important to find a durable retractable awning that can handle inclement weather. The Diensweek Retractable Patio Awning has a Beaufort scale rating of 5, making it one of the most durable options on our list when it comes to wind resistance. You'll be able to control this retractable awning using a remote, which makes it super easy to open and close whenever you'd like. For this reason, it must be installed near an electrical outlet. There is also a manual crank available if you need to close it by hand if your power goes out in the middle of a storm. In addition to holding up against high winds, we love that the dyed acrylic fabric, available in beige or navy blue, also provides UV protection and is resistant to water and sun fading. One thing to note is that the manufacturer recommends installing this awning on a concrete or brick wall or working with a contractor to install it on other surfaces, such as vinyl siding. Many users who bought the Diensweek patio awning were able to install it themselves, but needed at least 3 people to get the job done. If you're going to tackle this one on your own, be sure to have a few friends on hand to help. Number 2 in my list is M-Combo Retractable Awning. It doesn't take a big investment to create shade and comfort on your back patio. This budget-friendly option is 13 feet wide and extends out 8 feet, making it a great addition to cover almost any deck or patio. Since this is a manual retractable awning, there is no wiring to worry about, so it's quite easy to install. It comes in 8 different colors, so you'll be able to match your awning with your favorite patio furniture. The fabric is made from solution-dyed spun polyester fabric, which is UV resistant to shield you and your patio furniture from the sun's ultraviolet rays as you sit beneath it. We love that the frame is made with corrosion-resistant T5 aluminum to help it hold up against wind and weather with ease. Even though this retractable awning is the most budget-conscious on our list, it still has an impressive Beaufort 4 rating, allowing it to hold up against high-speed winds. With that in mind, we still don't recommend installing it in a windy area as it can be harder to manually crank it down if the wind suddenly picks up. It will fade over time, and to keep it looking its best for as long as possible, you should retract the awning when not in use to limit sun exposure to this retractable awning. Number 1 in my list is Diensweek Patio Retractable Awning. When you're shopping for a retractable awning that offers shade for your patio or deck, you probably want something that's going to look good and function well for years. And that's exactly why we love the Diensweek Retractable Manual Patio Awning. It's made with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and durable stainless steel cables that are designed to last for years to come, even when exposed to inclement weather. The commercial-grade polyester fabric has a polyurethane coating to make it waterproof and to prevent fading, so your retractable awning won't look dreary after just one season outside. It also boasts a wind resistance Beaufort rating of 4, which is the second highest score in the industry, meaning it's designed to withstand strong winds without damage. And while there are some retractable awnings on the market with a Beaufort 5 rating, those also come with a price tag that can be 4 times as high. Having a manual function to open and retract the awning also keeps this product at a reasonable price. Plus, one big benefit to having a manual retractable awning is that you can place it anywhere on an exterior wall without having to worry about installing it close to an electrical outlet. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.